NTA News 24.
Social cohesion is said to be the strength of relationships and bonds among people, and traditional rulers and religious leaders are believed to be key agents of social cohesion. Hence, they need to strengthen them and the roles they play to continue to enjoy citizens' trust, as revealed in the Nigeria Social Cohesion Survey report by the Africa Polling Institute. Chinenye Nwoye reports that the report was unveiled at the 2026 National Social Cohesion Dialogue 2026 in Abuja.
Traditional leaders are the custodians of culture. They know the needs of their community and the members, while religious leaders bear a prophetic responsibility to build bridges of brotherhood among all humanity. This perhaps could be part of the reasons why these leaders enjoy significant trust among citizens, as rightly revealed by the 2026 Nigeria Social Cohesion Survey report by the Africa Polling Institute, API, which is being unveiled at this event. The dialogue advocates strengthening the role of religious and traditional institutions as key agents of social cohesion.
That for the first time since the survey's inception, the majority of respondents identified primarily as Nigerians rather than by ethnic, religious, or regional affiliations.
Some religious and traditional leaders at this event, including the Emir of Kano and the Catholic Archbishop of Abuja Archdiocese, both represented, made their submissions.
This confidence reposed in us and calls upon us to continue serving as beacons of hope, justice, wisdom, and reconciliation.
They should not allow politicians to use them to foment disharmony in the society. All we want to do is to achieve development, peace, unity in the country.
All sensitive preachings should be regulated.
We must learn to forgive one another so that social cohesion will leverage on it.
The more that they are strengthened to be able to deliver more public goods to the citizens, then citizens can then begin to trust government.
Africa Polling Institute, API, is an independent non-profit opinion research think tank that conducts opinion polls and survey and the intersection of democracy and governance to support better policy. In Abuja, Chinenye Nwoye, NTA News.